Fantastic. Gutsy kids.
Yeah, my wife won't let me do that. I want to do that, and she said once we got married, I don't think so. And then once we had a kid, she said, no way.
I'm not even keen about cleaning the eaves on the house when I'm jumping out of a plane.
Yeah, they're very brave kids. You know, we're talking about rainfall today. Need the rain, and April has ended on a very dry note. You know, we say April showers bring May flowers. We had no showers in April. You know what May flowers bring? Pilgrims.
Yeah, right.
Had to throw that in there. But yeah, April, quite a dry month, and typically it is one of our driest months. May, on the other hand,
should be rain.
Yeah, should be a very wet month. In fact, looking at the latest chart here, this is our average rainfall, and you can see April about the 10th driest month of the year on average here in Austin, but May is typically the wettest month of the year, followed by June. So we're starting to enter into a period right here where we should start to see the rainfall numbers starting to go back up once again. Unfortunately, it looks like we are going to be starting May off on a rather dry note over the next couple of weeks. So that may not be very good news for this number at 4.36, although things can change a little bit, and hopefully we'll start to get the rainfall to go back in reverse and start moving back into our area like we saw in January, February, and for a good portion of March as well. Downtown this evening, we've got beautiful conditions. The skies have cleared a little bit better out there. Temperatures are at 86 right now. We have a southeast wind at 12 miles an hour, and dew point numbers have fallen again. It kind of does this every day. It's a little bit of a roller coaster ride. Dew points fall back to around 60 in the afternoon, climb back up to near 70 at night. So it's staying pretty sticky out there, especially during the overnights, and that's what's helped to build in those clouds overnight as well. And we kind of burn them off during the afternoons, and luckily today the clouds stuck around longer, so most of the readings are still in the middle 80s this afternoon as opposed to the upper 80s to low 90s. One of our warm spots right now is out to the north, north of Austin, that is, in Georgetown at 88. Now, there is some cooler air in the state of Texas. We've got a stalled out frontal boundary, kind of the focal point of where a lot of those thunderstorms were last night and again this afternoon. And you can see where temperatures are in the upper 70s from Lubbock, Amarillo, even mid 70s up towards Oklahoma City. So it's not a real strong cold front or frontal boundary, and it's not moving all that much. And eventually when it does move, it's just going east. So it's not going to be affecting our area. The only thing it may do is draw up enough moisture off the Gulf of Mexico that we may see a streamer shower or two late tonight and again tomorrow, although I really hesitate to think that you're going to need an umbrella for any of those showers that do develop because they're going to be rather light. So looking at our future clouds, rains, and wind, you'll notice a good deal of cloud cover during the overnight, that southeast flow, and you'll notice little pockets of showers trying to develop, maybe one of them near the morning commute tomorrow, although again, because they're going to be so light, I don't think they're going to do a lot, maybe slow cars down 3-4 miles an hour. That's going to be it. It's not going to be a heavy rainfall event that we're expecting, and it's not going to do anything to affect the drought that we're in. So we'll call for just a slight chance of showers tomorrow, and then we'll see the skies gradually clearing tomorrow afternoon. We'll reload the clouds again tomorrow night, and then see the clouds kind of thinning out a bit on Tuesday before temperatures start to climb back into the 90s for the remainder of the work week. So tonight, 70 for our overnight low. We've done it about the last 5 or 6 nights now. We'll do it again tonight. Tomorrow, we'll see 89 for the afternoon high. Pretty much just like today, southeast winds at about 8 to 15. Looking ahead at the next 7 days, I did do a little work here, I promise. It just looks like the exact same forecast for the first day of May. On Tuesday, we'll see 89, 90 expected on Wednesday, 91 Thursday, and all the way up to 92 on Friday. Look at that cool down for next weekend, down to 91 for next Saturday and Sunday.